Hello everyone, this is Tutor Marife MCP. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to work out this word problem on simple interest. The problem says Winnie invested 100,000 in a simple savings account and kept it there for 10 years. If by the end of it she had 180,000, what was the interest rate of the account? Let's start out with the main formula. A equals P times the quantity 1 plus RT. A represents the total amount accrued or the final investment value. P represents the principal or the initial amount of investment. R represents the interest rate in fraction form or in decimal form. T represents the number of time periods. Next, let's identify the unknown. What was the interest rate of the account? The unknown is very obvious. Interest rate. We are looking for R. After identifying the unknown, let's determine the given information. Winnie invested 100,000. Invested is the clue word. Remember that P represents the principal or the initial amount of investment. P is equal to 100,000. 10 years. This is very obvious. This is the value for the number of time periods or T. If by the end of it she had 180,000 and this is another clue word, remember that A represents the total amount accrued or the final investment value. Final and end mean the same. A is equal to 180,000. Okay? We're done with identifying the unknown. We have listed the given information. It's time to derive our equation for the unknown R. Let's write the main formula. A is equal to P times the quantity 1 plus RT. Step 1. Expand the right side of the equation. Distribute P into each of the term inside the parentheses. P times 1 equals P. P times RT equals PRT. We now have A equals P plus PRT. Next step, use subtraction property of equality to remove plus P from the right side. Left side minus P, right side minus P. Cancel out opposite terms. Left side becomes A minus P, right side becomes PRT. We are trying to isolate the unknown R. So our goal is to eliminate the coefficients of R, which are P and T. Use division property of equality to eliminate P and T on the right side. Divide both sides by P times T. Cancel out P, cancel out T. R is on its own. R is equal to A minus P divided by P times T. This is the derived formula for R. Let's use this formula to solve our unknown. R is equal to, substitute the given values of A, P, and T. A is equal to 180,000. P is equal to 100,000 divided by, again, P is equal to 100,000. T is equal to 10. Therefore, R equals 180,000 minus 100,000 divided by 100,000 times 10. Simplify both the numerator and the denominator. 180,000 minus 100,000 equals 80,000. 100,000 times 10 equals 1 million. Next step. Remove the same number of zeros from the numerator and from the denominator. 4 zeros from the numerator, 4 zeros from the denominator. R is equal to 8 divided by 100. This is the fraction form of the interest rate. If you want to convert the fraction form of interest rate into percent form, you just multiply the fraction by 100%. Cancel out 100, therefore R is equal to 8%. The time unit for R should be the same as the time unit for T. The time unit for T is years. Therefore, R should be yearly or annually. This is the final answer. R equals 8% yearly or annually. Now, let's validate our answer. Let's use the expanded form of the main formula. A is equal to P plus PRT. Substitute the given value for P, the given value for T, and our answer for R. And let's see if the end result is the same as the given value for A, which is equal to 180,000. P is equal to 100,000. Another P, this is also 100,000. R is equal to 8 over 100. Let's use the fraction form of the interest rate. T is equal to 10. Multiply first before you add. Again, remove the same number of zeros from the numerator and from the denominator. Multiply. 10,000 times 8 is equal to 80,000 plus 100,000. Add up, this is equal to 180,000. Compare this result to the given value for A. They are the same. So I have validated the answer. R equals 8% yearly or annually is correct. That's all for this problem. If you have any questions or you want further clarification, feel free to leave a comment. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, especially if this is your first time to watch my video or if you have not subscribed yet. Again, this is Tutor Marife MCP. Thank you for watching.